Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update the username that shows on your Windows 11 login screen or your user profile, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your username in Windows 11 step by step without using any risky tweaks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the method 1, what you need to do is on your Windows PC, you need to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Once done, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you where you need to type this command that is netplviz, and then you need to press OK. Now once you do this, you will again see this type of pop-up in front of you. So here you need to select the user account. As you can see, we have two users here. So after selecting the user account, click on properties. This will be your username. So here you can simply remove it and enter your username over here. You can provide your full name, your description, and click on the apply now option in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on the OK option and restart your PC. You will now see your username on the login screen, and this way you can basically change the username very easily. Now if you want to change your Microsoft account name, if you have synced it, you can definitely do it as well. For that, you need to sign in with a Microsoft account, or your username is linked to the Microsoft profile. So you need to simply open your Edge browser. For that, click on this search icon and search for Edge browser. Over here, once you are in this page, simply click on the account.microsoft.com option. Then provide your login credentials and log in into your account. In your info, you need to click on the edit name and update it and save the changes. So if your Microsoft account is linked with your Windows 11, you will also be able to change the username with this particular method. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.